Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about how you can make your own deep conditioner at home using the ingredients that are easily available in our kitchen. So we are going to be using three ingredients. That is aloe vera. We are going to be using the aloe vera gel. We are going to be using one ripe avocado and one egg. That's how we extract the aloe vera gel. So we are going to be extracting from all the leaves. So that is the gel that we have gotten from the leaves. We are going to be adding avocado so that we can blend them together. While applying on your hair, you have to partition the hair. You apply part by part, and then when you apply on one part, make sure you apply up to the scalp, then you twist the hair, go to another portion, and you do that to the whole of your head, guys. Cover your hair after you have applied all through the head. Cover your hair using something like a shower cape, or you can use the heat cap, and then you'll cover for about 30 minutes depending on what you use. After 30 minutes, you just untwist your hair, then you detangle using your hands, and you make sure you massage the treatment to the scalp, and then after that you just wash the hair. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching up to the end of the video. Make sure you try this one at home. Remember that we always need to deep condition our hair every wash day, because doing the deep conditioning helps restore moisture in our hair, helps repair damage in our hair, and also improves the overall health and appearance of our hair. So don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, guys, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you, guys. Bye.